Hi, in this screencast we're going to talk about setting the width and height of any HTML element using CSS. The width and height rule is extremely important because it'll come in handy when you want to make your element a certain size. And on top of that, it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you right now how to use it. I have a CSS folder and I have the index.html. Okay, and let's open it with top style. And in this file you'll see that it's HTML file with empty style sheet, and in the body content I have an image, okay, which is the header.gif, okay, and an input and just an empty div, okay, and I've separated them using some line breaks, okay, and I'm just gonna do some inline styling, okay. It doesn't matter which image I'm using, okay. I can set the width and height. The usual way of setting width and height is just do width equals and then the number, right? Using CSS you can also set the width and height by doing style equals, okay, width, like that. So let's say we want this image to be 200 pixels wide, okay, so this is the width, and the height, okay, of let's say 100 pixels. So determining how wide you want this to be, you set the width, okay, and then you do colon and then the width in pixels. Or you can also do percentage too, okay, but I like using it in pixels, but it depends when you use it, okay, and what you use it on. And height is also the same. You have height colon, okay, and then the size, okay, and don't forget to close it with semicolon, okay. And you can also use it to your input tags, okay. This time let's set it using a class, okay. Input width, okay, and then set the class here, okay, and let's do width, okay, of let's do 300 pixels, okay, and let's assign the class here, okay, and allows me to pick, oops, too many quotes, okay, and then let's just see what we have right now. Save it, minimize it, double click the file, let's browse it in Firefox. Okay, so you'll see that image, which I've made it 200 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall, okay, with the input text field, okay, that is, I believe, 300 pixels wide right now, okay, and then an empty div that you don't see here, okay. And so let's go back, bring back top style, and let's style this div, okay, style equals, alright, and let's make this width, well, let's first give it a background color or else we won't be able to see it. Background color, okay, let's just do black, and let's make the width let's say 250 pixels and the height to be 250 pixels. So let's make a square, okay, save it, minimize it, bring back Firefox, and then refresh. You see this box that I've created. Okay, and I made the background color black, so you'll see this div container. Okay, and of course we can change the width and height. Let's make it 50 by 150. Okay, save it, minimize it, bring back Firefox and refresh. So now it's width of 50 and a height of 150 pixels. Okay, and that's a sample of width and height. You can use it to almost every HTML element: image, input, divs, spans, tables, you name it. Okay, alright, that's it for this screencast. Thank you.